Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use HP Smart app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow these steps as well. So in order to use the app, first what you need to do is download the app by simply going onto your app store or on your Play Store if you are using your Android device, and on the search bar simply type in HP Smart app and then hit on search. And once you do that, here you'll be seeing the app like this. Simply tap on the app and then tap on the get button right here. As I've already downloaded it, it is already set on open. What you need to do is tap on the get button, and once you do that, all you gotta do, once it's downloaded, all you gotta do is simply tap on open. And once you are here, what you need to do is simply create an account or simply log into your account if you have an HP account. Now in order to use the HP Smart app, what you need to do is first add a printer. So simply tap on add your first printer, and here once you tap on that, you will be provided with two options, that is choose a printer to add, that is new printer or already connected to network. Now all you gotta do, if you have already connected it, simply select this one. If it's new, simply select this option right here. Now all you gotta do is search for your printer right here and then select it. And once you have successfully added your printer, you'll be able to use the options that is like printables as well. As you tap on it here, various designs will be provided for you to print, such as this, like learning, productivity, celebrations, cards, and so on. You can also access print photos by simply tapping on continue and letting your phone to have the access. And there are a bunch of options like print scan, print documents, and shortcuts as well. And there is options for say scan as well by simply allowing it, and that's basically how you can use it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.